Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Printify account permanently. Before we start, a quick heads up. Deleting your account is permanent. If you have active orders, connected stores, or need past invoices, handle those first and download anything important. Once your data is removed, you can't get it back. Begin by opening the Printify website and signing into your account so you land on the dashboard. From there, look to the top or side navigation and click on Account. In the account area, select Settings. This is where Printify keeps profile, security, and privacy options. On the Settings page, scroll all the way down until you find the Data Privacy section. You'll see the option labeled Delete My Data. This is the control that starts the permanent deletion process for your account and associated data. When you're ready, click Delete My Data. A confirmation prompt will pop up to make sure you understand the action is permanent. Review the note carefully, then click Delete. To proceed, you should see a confirmation message on screen. Click Got it to close that message. At this point, Printify will send a verification email to the address linked to your account. This extra step ensures no one can delete your account without access to your email. Now open a new browser tab and go to your email inbox. Find the message from Printify about your data deletion request. If you don't see it, give it a minute, then check your spam or promotions folder. Open the email and click the Delete My Data button inside. This link confirms your request and brings you back to Printify to complete the process. Keep in mind, these links can expire and you'll need to be using the same email tied to your account. Back on the confirmation page, you will be asked to enter a reason for deleting your account. Keep it brief and honest. This feedback helps improve the service and the field may be required to continue. After entering your reason, click Delete to finalize. That's it. Your deletion request is submitted. Depending on policy and legal requirements, some limited records like invoices or tax documents might be retained for compliance, but your account access and personal data associated with the service will be removed. If you had orders in progress, deleting your account won't cancel them automatically, so it's best to resolve those before you start this process. You've now permanently deleted your Printify account. If this walkthrough helped, make sure you've saved any needed records, and you're all set.